time waiting for that second chance, for the break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful witness, memories cease from my veins that may be empty. Oh, witness, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel, far away from here, from this dark cold room and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent memory. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. Stone keeps some Tristan.